gold. Long-term forecast for the week of February 6, FXEmpire.com. Gold markets had a bullish week until Friday. The market has been grinding higher, as you can see over the last couple sessions, and as a result, the bullish momentum continued to pick up until the non-farm payroll report came out and turned around and put a rush on the sale of safety assets. So evidently, the safety premium is more than likely what we lost on Friday. The 1750 level has held as resistance, and as such it should be respected. Shooting star was formed, and this is an extremely bearish candlestick. Quite frankly, it does have us concerned about the upward momentum, but we think a break of this is probably, it is a sell signal, and we would consider selling, but it's a short-term trade. The breaking down of that is more than likely the beginning of a pullback, not necessarily the beginning of a meltdown. We see 1700 as supportive, especially on the daily. You can definitely see it as plain as it's plain as the nose on my face when I look at it, but you can see 17's cause reactions even on the weekly. So if we do sell, we're aware of 1700. We're going to be very, very leery of holding the markets short below, as it should be supportive. And as a result, even though this is a signal that we are considering taking, it's actually the least favorite of the two possibilities. A trade that we like even more is a breaking of the top of the shooting star, which shows extreme strength. When you see that happen, that is a very strong signal to the upside, and we would be willing to buy that hand over fist. With the central banks out there willing to buy gold, they're still buying gold, and as such, we think that there should be continued demand. A little bit of a pennant, maybe, that we're trying to break out of. So because of that, we're not overly concerned. But it does look like a pullback's coming. Whether you choose to short it or not is entirely up to you. But do know that it's not so much a long-term move as it would be just taking advantage of a little bit of the volatility. And of course, we want to see some type of supportive reaction down here, perhaps, to get long again.